Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make vegetable chicken biryani, which is going to be served with yogurt chutney. So here is the spices and 1.5 chopped onion, 5 brinjals, 1 carrot and 1 potato, fenugreek leaves, coriander leaves and 1 big tomato, chicken cubes which are slightly chopped into cubes, spring onions and peas. So first we are going to chop the vegetables, means brinjal, potato, peas, everything we are going to add in it. Carrot, which is cut it into this way, and this we will use for garnishing the raisins and cashew nuts. So let's start cooking by adding 1 cup of oil and all the spices. Cumin seeds, and then comes onion and green chilies which were sliced 2 or 3, and mix it until golden brown a bit. Then I had added fenugreek leaves which was nicely washed well, and then spring onions, and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste in it. So you have to separately first mix it, and then you have to combine the onion together. Once that is done, once the moisture is loose, then we are going to add tomato. We'll add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and then we are going to add spices. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and half tablespoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of salt. For 1 to 2 minutes we'll let it cook, and then we are going to add the chopped vegetables. So keep mixing well. This we had to cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Add 1.5 glass of water. Here we are going to add the chicken cubes. Let it cook so that the vegetables can get boiled. Before we had just made them cook in spices. Now we are going to boil it. Now you can see that the bubbles have formed. Now this is the time to add the soaked rice. Strain the water. One glass of soaked rice. You can add according to your choice. Mix it again, and then we are going to cover the lid. After 25 minutes, it's almost ready. We are going to garnish with raisins, and then cashew nuts, and 1 tablespoon of ghee, refined oil, or you can add butter, and lastly we have to garnish with coriander leaves. sprinkle everywhere and mix it well and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can see that it is ready to serve. And chutney was ready by adding black pepper, salt, 1 chili, yogurt and 1 garlic crushed and mint leaves. If you want, you can prepare, it's your wish. So that is the way you can serve with it and have. Hope you like it, and thank you very much for watching. Do share with your loved ones. Take care, see you soon.